Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make a bookmark. So before we begin, let me say you something about bookmarks. A bookmark is a thin marking tool commonly made of card, paper, leather or fabric used to keep track of a reader's progress in a book and allows the reader to easily return to where the previous reading session ended. So now let's begin. So first I have a half of a A4 which is 14.8 into 10.5 centimeters. Now fold the paper as shown. Now let's stick the last fold with glue. Now let's give a shape to our bookmark using a pair of scissors. Scroll down and click that red subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up. Now using a punching machine, let's make a hole on the top of the bookmark. Time to decorate our bookmark. For that we need some water and paints. Here I am using pink and purple paint. We also need a toothbrush. Dip the toothbrush in the water and then in the paint. If you don't have spray paints, you can use the toothbrush as a spray painter. So now with the help of your fingers, spray the paint as shown. Now let's spray the purple paint. Now let the paint dry. Now using a sketch pen, let's write a quote on our bookmark. At last, now let's make a bow for our bookmark. Here I am using a stripe of crepe paper. You can also use a normal paper or a ribbon. ready. You can use this in your diaries or storybooks. If you have enjoyed the video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also click on the bell icon to get notified for every new DIY video. Comment below what shall I make in the next video. Thanks for watching.